Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplicity Reimagined. So this video I am doing a vlog style of my second semester's finals week. Personally, I found that second semester was exceedingly harder than first semesters. Thankfully, I survived all of this week since it's Friday today and yesterday was actually my last day of school, so super excited for summer, extremely busy of course. Aside from all of these celebrations, I'm just going to continue commenting on the following clips. The video that you are watching now is actually me working on business and personal law, and the final consisted of basically 50 vocab words, and it's all multiple choice, so it was a relatively easy final. I especially enjoyed this class, and I highly recommend it to prospective students because most of this information you will see recurring throughout your life, which is a great bonus since the class is not that difficult. Additionally, I got to exempt Algebra 1, so super pumped about that. And in this clip, I got to read the short story, The Birds, in English class. And then on Monday, it was Memorial Day, so we had a break from class. And that whole day, I spent studying and being productive, sort of, and then procrastinating, eating, procrastinating, complaining, all the usual. Other than that, the big obstacle of the week was to study for Advanced Spanish 1 speaking final, and this was like a conversation where you ask questions and answer questions. This morning I finished the majority of the religion final study guide, and then this afternoon I'm just going to be finishing up all the highlighted stuff. One helpful tip that I can give you is that if you share Google Docs via Gmail to multiple people or just one other person, they can help make the process go a little bit faster by filling out all the other study guide questions that you are unsure of. Also, I received a little surprise from my mother, and I got these Expo 2-in-1 markers. They come in a variety of different colors, so I'm super excited to try them out. So I used this whiteboard to write down my agenda for the next day. So here's everything that's due, and I actually like how it turned out. It's a nice pastel look, not too harsh obviously, and then I can differentiate between the different classes since I color coordinated all of them. Also, every night before bed I studied Spanish vocabulary on Quizlet. This morning, after studying my Spanish sentences, I'm going to be finishing this biology reproduction packet. Also this morning, I made a master schedule for studying finals, and I averaged about 2.5 hours each day for different subjects. Every night, I'm going to be writing the agenda on my whiteboard for the following day, and this will also correlate with my final studying schedule as well. Additionally, according to my agenda, it's going to be mainly studying for this week, and there's not going to be a lot of homework actually given from the classes, so that's why you don't see a lot of clips of me working on packets or worksheets. It is Wednesday. It is the middle of the week. It's also the middle of a mental breakdown. Just kidding. I had a burnout. Essentially, that means that I was stressed out with all the work I had and studying, so I decided to get creative with my baking abilities, and I made some crepes. I got this recipe from the channel Tasty, and it was actually featured on their Mother's Day video. Currently, I'm working on a biology STD mini project. The STDs I chose to research were HIV/AIDS and hepatitis B. This is my agenda for Thursday, and I added a little bit more time for studying biology since I didn't get to it tonight. Tonight I was mainly focused on biology, so I took a couple notes on a crash course video for the reproductive system. If you guys are interested on the specific video I watched, this was the title. Since my biology teacher doesn't provide me a study guide for either of the finals, I have to base all of my questions off topics he provides for us. These topics were from both semesters. Also, I'm extremely excited that we got our AP European History textbook, so it's pretty big, and yeah. Along with this AP course, I'm going to be taking AP Psychology as well. Here's the agenda for the following day. So far, I've done many different techniques to study for the biology final. So one example is that I'm using this whiteboard I usually have on my wall, and right now I have written the 1 through 9 months and what exactly happens during pregnancy, and then I watched another crash course video and took many notes on that. I'm also using this note packet that was provided by my classroom, and I'm having my dad quiz me on all of this stuff. This snippet is what my room looked like literally every single day of finals week. Other than that, thank you for watching this video and for supporting this channel. I hope you all have a wonderful summer.